inside a Cirrus SR22 G3 with a full package of jet shades installed, and there you see the windshield jet shade installed. Now, this particular plane had the option of the rear limo tint option, which means the rear windows were tinted as from the factory, as well as the skylight. However, in this Cirrus, we've installed the jet shades into the rear windows to really block heat and glare. And if you really want to get an idea, well, how dark is it inside the plane and what's the visibility for the passengers? Well, let's check it out and see. And there it is. As you can see, not much visibility reduction in light, just a lot of good heat blocking and glare blocking, and of course UV blocking as well. Also, you know, if your passengers are using iPads or anything else in the rear of the plane, this will keep this off the screen and allow them to be able to see it. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to pan all the way back and show you the skylight. So the jet shade that's installed in the skylight there, it's meant to be there. Pretty much you're not going to be taking it in and out, so we leave some nice air gaps so air can go between the jet shade and the windshield, so we're not touching the actual skylight and air can go through it. But yet, look how much light and heat and of course UV it's blocking from coming in through the storage compartment, really keeping the heat out of this plane. So get ready to have the coolest Cirrus this summer when you install your full set of jet shades. Even if you have the rear tinted windows already, adding the jet shades will really block the heat, make the plane a lot cooler. You might feel like your air conditioning is working really great or not even needed at all with jet shades installed.